Hello everybody, my name is Pixel Kitten, and today I will be teaching you how to make hand sanitizer at home. Now this may sound like a very complicated thing, but it's not. So, the thing to start you off is a 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. Now I have 70%. I have 70%, as you can tell, over here. So I'm going to set you... Stuff's falling off. And another thing we're going to be using is 100% aloe vera gel. Now, we're going to need 1/3 of a cup of this. So, I'm just going to open it, dump it in, and hope for the best. Now, yeah, I know. But I'm using the little bit we have left. Following commentary is also presented by my grandmother. She's really cool. And she bought the ingredients for this. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you tapping with me, Louie? Yeah, let's tap together. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna edit this out. And now, on to the next bottle, because that bottle is now dead. Yet again, 100% aloe vera gel. You can get this at Walmart if you want to know where to get it. But yeah, you can get it at your old Wally World. And now, the next thing you're going to do, you might want to see this, is that you dump the 70% alcohol, or rubbing alcohol, into the thing. You dump it in. You whisk it up. What? And 5 drops of tea tree oil, because that also kills bacteria. 90%, so I'm told. Or 95%, really. So 5 drops of tea tree oil. Gotta get a good view of the thing here, because you gotta see what I'm doing. You can see it through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You want to see me whisk some stuff? Hardcore whisking! Oh! Hi, Grandma. Hi. Making a video for the YouTubes.
Okay.
Now, thoroughly whisk it. Whisk it. Make it all nice and good. Now, since this step is really optional, but if you don't want it smelling like alcohol, then you can use an essential oil that you can also get from Walmart. I'm going to be using sweet orange and cassia. I don't know if you can see this. It won't focus, but it's sweet. Actually, I might use... No, I can't use lavender. The lavender one's almost full. So, sweet orange and cassia, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you whisk this in. And now it not only gets you clean and disinfects your hands and other various surfaces, but it also smells good now. And now the next thing you want to do is get it into a container. So what do? Well, I have some leftover homemade sanitizer in here, but I thought I might as well use a refill. You can also get this at Walmart. You may recognize, or any other shop. Oh my God, everything's breaking and I lost the essential oil. So yeah, hope that wasn't important. But so you stick a funnel in there. You can get like these at any store, I hope. For you non-American viewers. Oh shit. But yeah, you pour it in, and if you want to go that extra step, you can go find the travel size stuff in a store, and you can like get travel stuff. So give me a minute, I'm gonna edit this out, but I gotta go get a container so I can show you guys. A container like this. It's slow down. I am slowing down. Gonna have to edit that out because you said my name in the video. I have this. And it has the hand sanitizer in it. The homemade hand sanitizer. So, that's all for today. Do you have anything to say? Viewers of the making of this? Oh, okay, yes. Very valid statement. And you? Yes. Do you have anything to say, Kiwi? Do you have anything? Not you. You're not Kiwi. Kiwi, do you have anything? You attention whore? Yeah, screaming and being loud is my job. Being loud and annoying is my job. Excuse me. Kiwi, do you have anything to say for the audience members at home? No? Okay. I respect your statement. Anyways, see you later. Bye-bye!